Hello, my people. I greet the full house from Otoshebo Mama. Also, na dey fine. Una do well as una take dey follow me, as una take dey help me take dey share, as una take dey help me take dey like. God go bless una. I appreciate una well well. Una do well. My people, na remember this our sister wey dey for Morocco, wey cry come and say she need help, say she wan go back to Naija with her two children. I know say that video wey she do, she call chief prince with a group make dem come help am, say she wan go home. So as that video go viral, so some people come call am, cause that's wetin she talk for this video. I go put am, I'll still hear the full video. So some people come call am say, why you do that kind video? That kind video wey you do, you just can't ignore the Edo people. E be like say we no dey help ourselves as you take do that video. You for not do am just for only for chief prince with him friends. You for say everybody. So e be like say you come talk and say we no dey help, so na make you come call upon those people. So she come out again, come do the video, come do another video, come talk and say no be the way people take think am na she take do that video. Na where her brain just carry am go, na she make am do that video. Say make we no vex, say because una know say when person dey pass through something, wetin you no suppose to even talk sef, you go come dey talk am, no be her fault. So she come out now, come beg everybody say she be Oriedo Pataki, na Benin, original Benin. Say make everybody, make una no vex as she take do that video. Na the way her mind just carry, know say when you dey pass, when you dey stress, you dey stress. Na person, the first thing wey your mind go just first tell you, that kind person wey you just see money for your hand, na that one na you first just call upon, say abeg come help me. And e no mean say that one wey money dey in hand go really help you. Maybe that one wey you no even see money for your hand, na im go bring come out first. So na the way her mind with her brain just go, na make am do that video. Na make am say make she come out again, mona beg, she really need the help. May anybody be new Isha or Ebo, anybody as far as say you be Nigeria, say mona try, mona help am. She leave her phone number for there. I will try to pin the phone number also, put for there, since she don leave am for the video. So no be to call am to tell am say no worry, everything go dey okay. No, she need help. Even though say na small, I know say na Africa na Morocco na she dey, she wan go back. Even though say na 5 euro you get, if she convert the money, e go still keep am. Maybe another person 5 euro, 10 euro, this one, before you know, the money don gather am. Make she for go house, because no be only she wan go home, she wan carry the children go also, put them for school, because normally pikin wey don grow like this, they suppose to dey school, because she talk say dem no dey go school for there. And even though say for that Morocco say dem dey go school, they no dey learn wetin we dey learn for our place. We understand everything. We know say we dey speak English, dem dey speak France, dem dey speak their language, which is Arab country. So my brothers and sisters, anybody wey see that first video, she don apologize, say mona no vex. Na where her brain just go, na make am she just do that video, call those people, say mona come. No be say we the Edo people we no dey help ourselves, we dey help as our hand reach. Because we the Edo, we love ourselves. E just that e go get as something be sometimes we dey talk say we no love ourselves. No, we be kind people, we love ourselves. So my brothers and sisters, anybody wey get help, just help this woman. You fit call am, carry her account number, put small thing wey you get, make she for go home. If she go home now, then she go start to dey do something by herself. Una know say when you dey house, everybody talk say I wan go abroad, I wan go abroad. This abroad e no even easy again sef. I even like the way she take do, she come out, because she no even talk say don tey wey she comot for house, say she no wan go again. You know say some people go say no, I no dey go, na shame, say I go house, I no carry anything, I no even bring something. She no worry, she bring am come and say she wan go. Wetin she just dey fight put for her own daughter, make the children for go school, because dem no dey go school. Make dem start to dey write and read, make dem start to dey learn something. So my brothers and sisters, one love keep us together. I'll put the video Mona listing because she use Benite talk for this one. But I just say, I just tell now, say, see, wait, no, say, not be everybody they hear Benin, so each and they know they hear and where. So now make her say she can't do this video again. Can't apologize to all the those say, Mona novel, not be say she ignore, na say, na no feel help and no. Now the way where her brain just go, now make her do that first video. So my lovely people, Mona help me share and Mona help me share. Anybody wey want help this woman, Mona contact her. Mona not call her for say, no worry, everything will do. Mona just help. May I put the video now? Bye bye.
If you don't know me, wako, walabo, walamogun, wabebe negekai, menoge otiwa, oviwa, osiwa, neyeve ogiwa. Ida egbe ade domike. Another a video do ya yinye ivi godomigodo ivi do no go me rude a video nika I make rude video nika make no wala obobo no wa forgive me edo to the world ivi do no go me ivi do ni godomigodo ivi se wala o iye ti mo do no go me poto ivi mo no banedo ne ra me ka talk pe o lo pin mo duge obi se hin obi do pataki e hin iye ti mo to no go me poto ni gon eteme nu wala o debe ni ya gon ye video ni ya sunu jo bi egon ni we obi egon ni wala o no tori eme you said wala o wa gui eteme ni gan wa forgive me wala wo o maga eme veni ya make video no maga eme ije no dey confused. You understand? O my guy me iwe di video ni phone ke do bege we a vi mi atana imawe gwetemeni kbetemeni ogun adowie do ehin. You understand? Before e make be call me mama e uni akwe video obie go no pa ma no gbe bege here obie go no pa ti wenu gbe ma gbelele obie go na na ge ina be ga yimia ba jo ko me bo mi iya de gbere to make a video ni ya to beg for forgiveness. No wajo ko me bo me iwe se iwe do ni godo iwe mo no baneto abera me ke ba bi jeme edo to the world me no vi wa ti me gi ti wa ya fefe no wala o no ge me bi gwe ti wa di gwe wa forgive me wa ge gwe egbebe ni ja gun ajevani wa forgive me iye ti mo to no go me gboto obi edo hin ogwe mi na uneru obi se hin ari na amuge no de iye ti mo to no go me gboto ni gon e bi be sunu no wala wo so nigire na na hin imo egbe ni ya fi mo na ari Nigeria ni ya fi anje school I abera me bi jeme ni gan edo to the world e wala we baba wa bi jeme no wa wi jobo me ni ya fi mo na ari owa sister 2012 ike yare Morocco e begi imia imana imia ni mama na imia ni Maria bae awe adewe bo ahia pa every na time wa e do je bage segbona ni aga segbona ni another different thing e agi do abege e temenu wala wowo o ime no ko na no to na na e 10 years ogba gba na e school e kwa ti e kwa gben ono na omukpi yan e ono na hin na 7 years e ona hin iyan ro pa egwa ti egwa gben mo understand I make the tool atian I ma mi job bo bera ma me bo bije ma me bo beten oya me to agbo agwa ni evi se ivi omo no ba na do ivi godo na we no wala o edo to the world abera me ba bije me abe baba bije abe brother abe sister no man wala o no wa come to our rescue wala wo baba bije iwadi gwe ioni vie mo na ari e owa ioni vie mo na ari owa ni a vianje in school no wala o abe mi jo bi se disen ijo bi se leva ijobo imakware ju wa po wala wo wala wo dutan ijobo a memie ona hwun me no wa wujobo me no wala wo ni ja vie mo na ari e owa no he tie me eteme ni ga no he tie me a phone number na yari shime na him +212 680 493 935 ni degbe eti phone number no wa hon se +212 680 493 935 that is phone number na yari shime account number me one anybody no retie me no ya we just be seleva isele ha isele save me uga tieme idi bomeri account number idi enu we understand me na atol na iba no bo ma e be se abia be wijo bo be me no wala ogwo eteme ni gan wala bo.
Brothers and sisters, you guys should help us. We are not going to school. You guys should help us. We're in this place. We are just begging. You guys should help us. Let us go to Nigeria so that we'll go to school. There's no food to eat. There's no food to eat in this place. You guys should help us. We need to go to school, please. You guys should help us. Help 3 of us, me and mommy, please. You guys should help us. We're not going to school. We need to go to Nigeria and go to school, please.
To go to school.
So eteme ibi godo wa wese wala emona ive do yankin tiyan he do iyan ti se ive ye do mayen mi so pon emi ya ni kelebe do na wa we ni ata baba na we broken na iyan ti tai so pon iyan ti zo I believe by the time I so wa bana ya cash up ya follow up with edo eteme wa wese kakabo o salobua o fian gbi ma ya fefe wa wese